KitKat is one of the world's most iconic chocolate bars, known for its crispy wafer and smooth milk chocolate. But have you ever wondered how it's actually made? The journey starts far from the factory, on cocoa farms where ripe pods are harvested, and beans are fermented and sun-dried. These beans travel to Nestlé's processing plants, where they're roasted, cracked, and ground into cocoa liquor. After separating cocoa butter and solids, the chocolate is blended with sugar and milk powder to create KitKat's signature taste. At the factory, massive silos store ingredients and automated systems deliver them with precision. Wafer batter is mixed in huge tanks, then baked into ultra-thin sheets by giant rotating plates. After baking, the wafers cool and set, ready for the next step in the KitKat creation process. The secret to KitKat's irresistible taste lies between its wafer sheets, the chocolate cream filling. This creamy layer is crafted by blending sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable fats, and something unique, recycled KitKats. Imperfect or broken KitKats from the production line are ground into a fine paste and mixed into the filling, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Industrial rollers then spread this rich cream evenly onto each wafer sheet. Next, multiple layers of wafers and chocolate cream are stacked, usually 3 or 4 layers high. Hydraulic presses compress these layers into a single massive block, sometimes stretching over a meter long. The block is left to set, allowing the cream to harden and bind the wafers together. Once set, high-precision blades slice the giant wafer block into smaller bars. Each bar is then cut into the classic fingers, creating the iconic 4-finger KitKat. Laser-guided machines ensure every bar is perfectly uniform. KitKat fingers travel through an enrobing machine, where a curtain of melted chocolate coats them completely. Vibrating belts and air blowers remove excess chocolate, while tempering gives each bar its signature glossy finish. Finally, the bars enter cooling tunnels, sometimes stretching 100 meters. Cool air gently solidifies the chocolate, leaving KitKats perfectly crisp outside and creamy inside. Ever wondered how a KitKat makes its way from cocoa bean to the iconic chocolate bar in your hand? Let's unwrap the journey. At Nestlé's factories, quality is everything. Automated cameras scan for broken bars and uneven chocolate, while each bar is weighed for perfect consistency. Taste panels and lab tests ensure every bite delivers that signature crunch and flavor. Any imperfect bars? They're recycled, never wasted. Next comes the famous red wrapper. High-speed machines wrap up to 700 bars a minute, adding the foil and sleeve before robotic arms sort and box them. Each pack is stamped with a batch code and expiry date. Finally, KitKats are shipped worldwide, from Europe to Asia and beyond. So next time you break a KitKat, remember the incredible journey behind that satisfying snap.